Everybody's done an oil change on a Slant 6. But anybody ever done an oil change with vintage, unopened, 1990 Mopar Premium engine oil? Turbo approved. I came across a whole whack load of NOS parts for Chrysler and Dodge. So there we go. Still sealed. I've already got 2 bottles in. I'm going to try and crack this without spilling it all over the truck. Okay, good. That can go there. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, vintage NOS oil. Will it clear my low oil pressure, or will it send a connecting rod through the block? Nobody knows. But I'll know probably in a couple of hours. Like, share, subscribe.